businesses to thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding ways to do more with less. It's never been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for across the country. When you call in now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 a month for 12 months. $39 a month, with no annual contract and a money-back guarantee. All on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with the company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call and get started today. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. Business 50 megabits per second internet customers only. Requires EcoBill and autopay. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, regular rates apply.
So, how's your research going?
Surprising! After I figured out the top-rated TVs in our price range, I went shopping for deals.
And who's the best?
It wasn't the internet, and it wasn't the warehouse club.
But?
It was video only. They had better deals on the Samsung, LG, and the Sony TVs that got the scored.
Better than online and at the club?
I know! Video only beat them all. And now we can afford an even better model for the same price. My research really paid off.
If we buy it video only.
Exactly. Otherwise, we'll be sorry.
At Video Only, you won't find huge stores with refrigerators or dishwashers, but you will find the best deals on the best TVs, soundbars, and home theater systems. Shop around, but then make sure you visit Video Only. You'll be sorry. In Mountain View, San Mateo, Devon, and San Rafael. Video Only.
Why choose early following read from signal to get the it senses your movement and automatically adjusts to help keep you close and comfortable. Plus, temperature balancing so you stay cool. It's even smart enough to know exactly how long, how well, and when you slept. Our smart sleepers get 28 minutes more restful sleep per night. Sleep Number takes care of the sign. All you have to do is sleep. Don't miss our weekend special where all smart beds are on sale. Save 50% on the Sleep Number 360 limited edition smart bed plus free delivery. Ends Monday. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com.
Win a new Mercedes-Benz, cash, and more this month at Greek Resort and Casino. Giveaway on August 26th, where you can win a new Mercedes-Benz. Plus, more ways to win than anywhere else. Tuesdays, turn points into slot play. Multiplier Wednesdays, get up to 7 times the points. Thursdays, win up to $15,000 in the Beat the Heat slot tournament. Learn more at GreekResortCasino.com. Complete rules available at
I used to get frequent heartburn at night, so I made Prilosec OTC part of my morning routine.
With just one pill, Prilosec OTC prevents excess acid production, blocking heartburn all day and night. If possible, while taking Prilosec OTC, use as directed for 14 days to treat frequent heartburn, not for living.
KCBS News Time, 10:58. Traffic and weather together. We're going back to the South Bay with Ted Ramey.
Yeah, we're just seeing a little bit of that fill-in. 101 northbound out of Morgan Hill into the Coyote Valley near Coyote Creek Golf Course. Unconfirmed reports of an accident 101 northbound parallel with the golf course, but for the time being, just minor delays in the area. Actually, as I'm speaking, I see they have now confirmed that it is off to the right-hand shoulder. Was initially blocking the middle lane for a moment. Also, 17 south out of Campbell into Los Gatos. That was filling in as you would expect on a Sunday morning, but once you get south of Highway 9, it does move rather swiftly through the Santa Cruz Mountains, although we're getting a little bit of fill-in along the Lexington Reservoir, but again, that's pretty typical for this time of day. Metering lights flipped onto the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza, but it's overall pretty smooth ride into your next update with Shane Guinness at 11:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Another gorgeous day for the Bay Area. A few lingering clouds near the coast. Mostly sunny, though. 60s and 70s by the water. Upper 40s to upper 80s inland. Tomorrow we will warm up again into the 90s. Traffic and weather together on KCBS. It's Sunday, August 21st, 2022. Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Jennifer Hodges. How street parties and music are bringing together mountain residents years after the tragic CPU fire.
Chris St. Carlo on why the Senate Republican leader is blaming bad candidates for jeopardizing a chance to win over control of the upper chamber.
And rainy weather continues in the southeast. Good morning, I'm Liz St. John. CBS News covers the world next. Odyssey Station. 11 o'clock.
It's CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by General Steel.
I'm Monica Ricks in New York. Parts of the Southwest are getting some much-needed rain today, but for folks in New Mexico and Arizona, maybe too much. Storms are flooding roads and knocking down power lines, and this woman says a tree destroyed her home.
I was extremely sad. I was lost for words. I didn't know how to pick up the pieces of this puzzle, and it was just a devastation.
Storms are also hitting parts of South Texas.
Unfortunately, because we've been in a drought for so long, we're going to need more than what we received yesterday, but it does help, and it was a very, very welcome sight.
Another round of rain is on the way. The Justice Department has until Thursday to redact the affidavit on the FBI's Mar-a-Lago search. But California Democrat Adam Schiff says he's concerned about releasing that information.
You could learn what witnesses may have seen in terms of the handling of those documents or people coming and going from where the documents were located. You could learn about whether representations were made that proved to be false in terms of whether they've given up the classified information.
Schiff on CNN. CBS News has learned Trump's legal team will likely file a motion this week for an independent reviewer to evaluate those documents. First Lady Jill Biden has tested negative for COVID twice. She's set to come out of isolation today after experiencing mild symptoms all week. Mrs. Biden is double vaxxed and boosted. With a little over a week till school starts, workers in Philly have voted to strike. KYW reporter Jasmine Payute.
Employees include bus drivers, bus attendants, bus mechanics, building cleaners, building engineers, and trades workers.
Our members have done everything they can for these schools. They've given back in every crisis. They've worked through the pandemic. It's confidence the new superintendent to show his commitment to them.
They're asking the district for better wages after they say they were forced to take a pay cut during the pandemic, along with active shooter training.
Student debt relief is also a big concern for many Americans now as they wait on a decision from the federal loans. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona was on Face the Nation.
Daily we're having conversations about this, and the American folks will hear before the end of the month.
Ukraine has denied involvement in bombing to kill the Russian diplomat's daughter. Will Vernon is with the BBC.
Russian prosecutors said a murder investigation had been opened into the death of Daria Dugina. The 30-year-old was returning from a festival she had been attending with her father, the ultra-nationalist philosopher Alexander Dugin. Russian media reported that Daria and her father had decided to switch cars at the last minute.
It has been almost 6 months since Russia invaded Ukraine, and again, Ukraine has denied involvement in that car bombing. This is CBS News.
If you're a business owner renting or leasing, you can save a ton of money and own a custom-designed building made by General Steel. Just call 877-25-STEEL and get a quote today.
Yeah, I'm so stressed. Our business is growing. We've got people all over now.
Uma.
What is that? Meditation?
I'm recommending Uma and their all-in-one phone, video, and collaboration solution.
Uma?
Yep. Switching to Uma is a cinch. Just $24.95 per month per user, plus taxes and fees.
Uma.
Now you're feeling it. Visit Uma.com. That's OOMA.com to learn more. Uma. Smart communication for the smarter business.
I absolutely love my dogs, but the constant shedding, not so much. But then I got a Swiffer Sweeper Pet Kit, and it is amazing. These super thick cloths take up a crazy amount of hair. Just look at all that. And that was from just one swipe. And the best part, Sweeper's so much easier.